You want to learn how to twist out? You came to the right place. I'm not going to say I'm the twist out queen or anything, because that seat belongs to somebody else here on YouTube, and I'll let you know who that is down the road. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I do my twist outs. So let's get into the tutorial. So the product that I'm going to be using today is the Texture ID Coils Twist Butter, and that's what it looks like. And it's 8 fluid ounces if you wanted to know. And you could buy it at your local Sally's if you wanted to know. Anyway, so I'm going to be using this product today. I've already sectioned off my hair into 4 sections. And I just use 4 sections because that's what works for me. But maybe you need to split it into 6. So I'm going to actually split this particular section, even though I've already sectioned it off into 4. I'm going to section it again because I want to work in smaller sections. I want smaller twists, not so much larger twists. After you've already sectioned off your hair, then you want to make sure you got everything that you need, okay? So I don't always use tools when I am styling my hair, but today I am because I really want a super defined twist out. So what I'm going to be using is my brush, and I've got my cream right here already, my twist butter, and I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to kind of just apply it to this section. No different than you would with a wash and go. So I like to just start off with the product so it's already there. I don't have to worry about it. And another tip, warm that product up in your hand. So I warm up the product and then I apply it to my hair. Once I've applied it, then I take a piece, and I think this is a good size for a twist. That's what I'm going for. But maybe you want something smaller, so go ahead and do something smaller. Yeah, if you want a smaller piece, please go ahead and do so. Or if you want a larger piece, go ahead and do so. I'm going to take my brush and just really make sure that it's nice and smooth and even. You want to make sure it's really detangled. I like to also go in and add an oil of my choice, just to seal in that moisture. Even though the twist butter already does have oil in it, I like to just go in to add a little bit more. This is definitely a new technique of mine, which is to add an oil at the end. So we go in and we twist. And you want to make sure you get into that root. And I like to smooth as I go. And then I twirl like this. So I'm going to go in with my next section, and I like to just finger part again. Make sure you take your oil, apply it to this section, And when you do the spraying hands method like this, it really adds heat so that it can really seal it in. So you go in, you split, and you twist. And smooth it as you go, or if you feel you need to, detangle. You can also get your brush to detangle as you go. Okay, I am back, and this is what my hair looks like after doing all of the twists. Now you notice on this side I did add a roller to it or a curler to it. The reason is because my hair tends to be a little bit more wavier than curly on this side specifically. So I just add a roller to it, a small roller to it, and the end result gives, you know, it makes it nice and curly. Now, if you have an issue like that as well, feel free to add perm rods, small perm rods to your ends. You'll love the results. So this is what my hair is looking like. As I said before, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer and then air dry as well. And then I will see you guys tomorrow and we will take it down together. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Actually, it's 2 days later, but we're not gonna worry about that. So I'm going to take off my bonnet. I got a bonnet and a scarf on because I am wild sleeper, gang. Where'd it go? Anyway, this is what my hair is looking like. I don't know what happened to my bonnet. Oh well. This is what my hair is looking like. I did change out my rollers because I wanted just a different type of curl. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go in and take my oil. Make sure my hands are nice and greased up. And I'm just going to go through just to take off any little cast, to add a little bit of shine. This twist butter really didn't have much of a, you know, super crunchy hold, but it did hold, which is nice. So I'm gonna just start in the back. I mean, you could start wherever, but that's where I feel most comfortable. So you make sure you have that oil on your hands, and you just want to just, okay, after loosening, oh, I see that I can naturally just separate. Do so. Never force to separate because you're going to get frizz. So I'm gonna keep doing that. You separate and then separate again, but where it feels natural for it to want to separate. Never force it because you will get frizz. I'm gonna to try it right here so you guys could see it. I like to just do it in the direction that I twisted it in. Now some people do untwist method, and that works too if that's what you want to do. You can untwist it. The rest off camera and we will talk later. Okay guys, I'm back after taking those twists down, and this is what it's looking like, and I honestly feel like it came out pretty good. You know, it's not too bad. Obviously I did tell you guys that in the front my hair tends to be more wavy than curly, so it is honestly a struggle to get it super defined, but this is honestly at its best what it looks like. But I think my hair came out pretty good with this twist out. I do have a little bit of shrinkage, but shrinkage means your hair is healthy. So I think it came out pretty good, and I'm super excited about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay safe, love everyone, and take care of yourself. Bye.